Myself Alad Mene. I am a digital marketer, and recently I have started an online e-commerce website. So which sells which basically is about selling coconut products. So why coconut products, and what was the purpose of starting an online e-commerce website? First, during, as you know, since last few months we are into lockdown. Pandemic was there. So lot of us were confined to their homes. During that time, as always, lot of people were on busy on social media, and I am being into digital marketer. I also like to do social media. So during that time, one hashtag which actually I was impressed when I saw it. It was local to global. So when I came across that hashtag, I was actually thinking कि यार we can do something about that hashtag. Okay, so we can do something into the local to global funda. So the main purpose of getting deep into the subject is that being an Indian, I like to see my country prosper, and the one important the reason the more we will be prospering if our local manufacturers get a platform where they can sell their products directly to global customers. So by keeping that concept in mind, I, along with my another friend who is also a mastermind when it comes to marketing and other things, decided to launch an e-commerce website. We had a good web designer, and on auspicious occasion of Dasara, our website became live. So the main purpose of selling only coconut products on our website was that basically we want to target a small niche. We are not we are pretty new into e-commerce platform, and what we wanted to do is we wanted to do something different. So that's why we decided to focus only on Konkan, because Konkan, me and my partner are emotionally connected to Konkan. My mother is from Konkan, her native place is in Konkan, and my friend, he has his house in Konkan. So basically he's full on Konkan, as you can say. So that's why we started a website which will deal into coconut products. And before that, we wanted to start something into coconut tourism also. So for that purpose, we did a small recce last year of Konkan region, where apart from seeing beautiful destinations of Konkan, we also had an opportunity to meet various manufacturers of Konkan region. There are prominent brands also which we met, and lot of local manufacturers. What we saw that the products they showed us were simply great. Like mango pickle simply, or mango pulp. We also saw a good jamun juice bottles, and cashews, as you can see. All these are Konkan specialties, and they are mind blowing actually. And when we talk about health, especially in this pandemic, a lot of people are talking about immunity boosters and all those other things. I think these coconut products are extremely useful. Jamun is a superfood actually when it comes to health. Diabetes can be cured by using jamun. Stats have shown that, science has shown that. And apart from jamun, amla juice is an excellent immunity booster. So why we thought that instead of getting to supplements and other capsules for immunity booster, why don't people start using this natural juices of amla and jamun? So keeping all these things in mind, we have launched our website where main focus will be on selling food products, which will also deal with health factor. So there is also products like brown rice, brown poha, which are good for your health. So we will be also keeping that products in our those products in our website. And also there are other products like Konkan decor, where we have main categories will be Konkan shells and bamboo furniture. Konkan shell because as you know, Konkan is a coastal belt. So lot of shells products are very good. Shell decor, you can see there is an excellent type of decorative items. There are a lot of shell decorators that we can use. Like that shell can be used for making curtains, for pen stand. We can also use shell as a gifting item. Other Konkan products that can be used as decor are bamboo furniture. So bamboo sofas, bamboo chairs. They can also be a good means good. What we can say good addition to your living space, giving you a nice rustic look to your home. And apart from that, another and most important thing that we saw in Konkan was the artistry of the local people over there. When we visited Sawantwadi, we saw wooden toys over there, and also games like Saripat and Ganjipa. They were so brilliantly made that we simply fell in love with those products. We decided that those products will be on our site. And once we started this website, as you can see, there are a lot of wooden products are also on our website. So why only should our kids just play with plastic tools and other tools from foreign countries like China? As you know, China, what they have done to India recently. So just ban all those China things, get wooden toys from Mumbai, from Maharashtra, and give them to the children. They will enjoy it. And yeah, so this is all the main purpose. And the secondly, and another main purpose of this of starting this online e-commerce platform is to give and recognition to local manufacturers from Konkan, from where they can sell their products online in international market. That has never happened before. There are a lot of online websites, but they are not product specific. So with our website, what we will be doing is that we will be trying to create a platform digitally where all local manufacturers can sell their products not only in Maharashtra but in other states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, right to Jammu and Kashmir, and also in other countries like Africa, South Africa, Australia, England, everywhere they can sell the products. So that is our main purpose. So that is the purpose that we have started this website. So do visit our website. And yes, the purpose is to get business. But when we get business, we are also going that business will we are also going to that will also benefit the local manufacturing local. So guys, please support this initiative. Stay happy, take care, be safe. Thank you.